One lady wey accuse Peruzzi say Peruzzi try to rape her. She don't come outside say God don't dey talk to her. Hey people, say she don't dey see vision. Say God don't tell am things about Peruzzi. For those of now we don't know this girl come outside one time say Peruzzi try sexually assault her. So she and her friend Aisha been waiting be that one name. Say they go Peruzzi house for 1004 for inside Lekki for that place. Those of now we know the house. Girls, this is why I mentioned the name. I don't talk to make and go there, go they find them. But as they go there, they say, I don't know what happen. They can't say they go sleep for there. The girl and her friend sleep for bed. The girl can't talk, say Peruzzi can't come on top of bed where her friend dey. Some people if they lie, they know they even write the lie down. Think and wait before they talk am. They could just gather, they talk lie like say now marry 2 children, they tell the lie to. See as 2 of them they sleep, now dear Peruzzi come try to touch her for body. But as she say, this kind of thing she no fit take am. She can't stand up, say make she enter inside the parlor. Say Peruzzi thing no still gree am, it still follow am, they walk her, follow her enter inside parlor. Before she go see, Peruzzi don't shift her pants. Shifting of pants matter don't enter this matter. Say Peruzzi shift her pants, can't start to do the thing. Now dear Peruzzi can't rape her. But as the matter again that time, Peruzzi talks him no be rapist, so say he don't know anything about them. Person won't sleep, rest, okay, we don't forget that matter. Now dear auntie evangelist can't wake up again this morning. Say God really told her, say she dream about Peruzzi. And she dream say Peruzzi go die. Hey, say in fact Peruzzi don't already even die. Nobody say he go die. Say he don't even die. Now there she can't cry, she dey emotion. I mean, I don't even read. She talks here, she dey even thank God. Say because na dream, she can't even cry. What is it? Her hunchback you want mention because I never know which kind of nickname. Be this one way go give Peruzzi. Huncho, I mean a huncho, I know they understand. So she can't cry. Thank God say na dream. Say but as the matter be like this, she don't come and say make Peruzzi take care. Say life they short. She don't want to fight any. Hey, on a see strategy. This girl she go just come and say, Peruzzi, I still love you. I won't come back to you. Talk the thing plain and simple. If you want chop, you go chop. If you want collect, you go collect you. You can't there now, can't they use a dream. They cover everything. Say you don't want hold grudges. Say life, they shall make everything end. But I beg, as you know, say you get this kind of message for Peruzzi. Why you don't carry your phone? Call and say, Mr. Peruzzi, I dream about you. Like this, you die. I bet this one happened to you. Why be say you can't post them? If not, be say you just want blow. When I see girls, she just want blow because now what are the reason? She just want getting that because that time she trained. So this one now she won't use and train the girls. People don't forget her. She won't come back again. She can't talk say then she see Peruzzi. But fine, make we accept and say true you dream about this because Peruzzi. Make we just accept and say yes, you dream. But I beg Peruzzi, this kind of matter and this girl, you supposed to pray about the whole matter. Nobody to come as when they post. You pray about a matter. I mean, to just carry your phone, come the tweet, say, this one happen. Not be about that one. And Mr. Peruzzi, this one way don't hear, I beg. Be na fasting and prayer, be na ori okay, go climb. Go climb and start to do that prayer now. Because I know they understand what they even happen inside this BMW, I mean a BMW gang. Person just die, never take. Now, person don't they see dream again about another person. Not be about you, where can they talk say, no weapon formed against you shall pro. I beg, forget that one. Devil feel they work in different ways. So this one, if it be another vision for you, okay, go pray about them. Well, no can hear another story where they touch again. But I feel say this lady own it, not just because I say she won't train, she won't blow. There, in fact, desperation, I cause I do this one because something like this, you suppose even chat the person normally. Now personal thing. Don't be say you could come outside, they talk, make everybody know say the person won't die. Because any smart thing do this guy now, they go to say, now your dream where you dream. So I beg auntie, next time, do and where. My people, I hear this one, I want to make her bring her, making her service now here waiting they happen. Make you not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.